Hi everybody, it's Yuuki. Welcome to the Yuuki Stream Zone. This channel, we're going to be talking about how to get started with your streaming career journey, content creation, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and a lot of stuff if you guys want to be content creators. I've been a streamer for a little bit, 2 years, and it's been a long journey. I got my main channel up to 1,000 subscribers recently on August 6th. I gotta tell you, it's not as easy as it looks. We're going to take a look at topics like how to stream on a schedule, how to stream on a consistent basis, how to make your content evergreen, all the streaming concepts as well as content creation concepts. So get ready for a lot of that. We'll be doing infographics, with live streams, we'll be doing a lot of stuff with this channel. I cannot wait to help you out as a content creator myself, and I cannot wait to welcome you into the content creation. Enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy the content.